Faded in the city with my team, smoking, drinking, doing our own thing. Tell me what you into, what you bring. We gon' be a problem, cause a scene. We ain't never going home. We'll be raging till the morning. We ain't never going home. We'll be raging till the morning. Tonight we get lit.
What's happening, guys? Welcome to another video of Ride with Raj. Before you see this ride video, I thought I'll show you the bike because I've got this. This clip is actually taken yesterday and I'm super excited because I got the Bullet 500 to ride, and this is Yash's bike. He's off to Europe and he's given me this motorcycle to ride for 3 weeks. So I'm gonna be on this throughout. In fact, yesterday when I got it, I was holding on it. And yeah, it's a beautiful bike. This is what I want to ride. This is carbureted. Yes, I love carburetor more than EFI. You all know that. So now let's not waste time and let's ride this bike. Alright boys, so you guys saw that Raj was too excited when he received this motorcycle. Check the idling. Check the idling of this motorcycle. Well friends, it's sharp 6:10 in my watch. So I'm just 10 minutes late. Otherwise, all set. Okay, first of all, I feel awesome riding this bike, and I must compliment Yash. The way he has maintained this motorcycle, it's amazing. I mean, really smooth. Who says Bullet has a problem in their clutch? Check this clutch. This clutch lever is like butter. And I think one of the rider was supposed to join me from my lane. He lives next lane to me. Okay, someone's calling me now. Hello? कौन? सिद्धांत? You've reached ना? हाँ, मैं 10 मिनट में पहुंच जाऊँगा. All right, buddy. What up, boy? I missed you. Oh, okay. So you were riding with me all this while. So we are like 1, 2, 3, 4 people are already here. Sohail for the first time. No, he's not late. He's not late. We are early. He's joining me after a long time. So he's back.
Bullet Club or it's all bikes?
No, any bikes. Any bike is cool. Even a scooty is cool. Yeah, we all love to ride. What's up? What's up? Keep it 80, 90. Actually, there are new riders. Siddhant is also a new rider. Siddharth doesn't go more than 80. So that's why, you know, we want to go in a proper format. So very disciplined ride so far. Everyone is in one lane, which is awesome. We are keeping a 1-lane trail. Everyone's following this ride rule very well. What's up? New bike, bro. New bike.
I can't recognize you.
He's like, where is your jacket? Where is your Kranos? Everything changed for today. What's up, man? Nice to meet you. New rider? All right, cool, man. Nice ride. So that's the Apache. That's pretty good. 90? It's even 80, 90. Okay. So there are some slow riders, new riders. So we do it slow 80, 90. This is one of our riders. Headlight? No, what did it? Okay, his fog light just went off, and he's somewhere near the Fountain Hotel, and Yash and me always carry these zip ties, and I'll just show it to you guys. Always have these handy, you never know when you need them. So that's how it is. It's like 50 bucks a packet. So you can carry these, you can tie anything you want. And Yash is also carrying a cutter, but I have my knife, so no worries with that. So this is very useful, carry this. Riding first time with us, right?
With you, yes.
Okay. Acha, you won the Thunderbird, right? Pretty good.
Rajbhai,
Hi.
my friend Anil bhai.
Anil bhai, nice to meet you, man.
First ride in his life.
First ride?
First ride, yeah.
Oh.
What a jacket, first ride.
Wow, look, very nice jacket, man. For new riders who've not got, I don't know how many I have, but whatever I can give you all. So sorry if someone's missed out on the Motul keychains. You didn't get, right? So you can have. I have some more. Yeah. And here's your sticker, bro. Thank you. Yeah. And then they'll follow us. Right?
One thing.
Yeah, we're doing one line now. I did the indication of one line.
Exactly.
Yeah, so we'll do one line. One line. Yeah, I mentioned that.
Please do not overtake from the right side.
No, do not overtake from the left side. Overtake from the right side.
No, but do not overspeed.
He said riverfront to me. So we are at the sea area of Vasai Fort, and from here we're gonna go to the fort actually. Hey, don't jump. So I don't know what Akansha is trying to do there. No, I have no idea. Yeah, there's some yeah, they're eels. I think they're eels or some kind of creature. Okay, so Yash, I'm sorry about a mirror, but if you had mirrors something like this, it would never fall off. That's what I have on my Conti as well. And as you guys can see, the mechanism is different. Yash's mirror is on the edge. Yeah, check it out. So anytime it vibrates, it keeps loosening up. Maybe next one, I'll buy him these. What's up, riders? What's going on? Hot but not bad, right? Not bad so far.
No,
it's so far a decent ride. Only speed breakers were irritating, I know that.
Very irritating.
Especially I know Yash because he was on the GT. GT guys hate speed breakers because the way we ride is different. Okay, I'll just capture the bikes. Yeah, that's a good shot. That's a good one. Okay, starts.
So Darth Vader is the name, and this here is the Millennium Falcon. And pretty soon we'll be going to Tatooine as well.
Wow, cool man. Everyone's naming their bikes. I like that.
I'm Varun and I have not named my bike anything.
That's
Yeah, so
what do you ride?
it's a 110cc and I've clocked 4,000 kilometers or 4,500 kilometers on this on touring. Like,
See, this guy's touring on that. That's awesome. You know this brat?
With Black Widow.
Black Widow.
It's Abhishek Singh here, and this is the Apache RTR 200.
That's
Just done
nice,
to-
and that's a great color, by the way. I love
Thanks.
grey shades.
Thanks a lot.
Everyone knows this brat also.
Harsh here, and I am also not named my bike right.
Hi, this is Jayesh. I ride Classic 350 and I named it Roar.
Wow, he named his bike Roar. That's awesome.
This is Shashi and this is my CB Hornet. I've named it Driga.
Watch me do my dad. Watch me do my dad.
Hey, this is Tejas, and I've been riding since last 6 months.
Wow, cool.
I ride a TB 350.
And he has sick ass fog lights. By the way, I recognize you through my mirror because of those fog lights.
Thank you.
So it's pretty good.
Hi, this is Rohan and this is my Queen in Red.
Queen in Red, awesome. Akansha, what are you riding?
I'm riding Standard 500.
Oh, soon. The man, what's up?
I'm riding a Classic 500. I love my bike.
And this is the whole crew now. And let's take a roundabout. Cool. Head back. Fishing. That's a good plan.
but I'm riding after like 3-4 months.
So I had to tighten this up. Sorry Yash, one of your mirror smashed. I couldn't help it, but this one's tight now, hopefully. So we are heading to Silver Miles because everyone's demand is Silver Miles, and we are skipping the fort, right?
Fort.
By the way, that's the fort.
Fort.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, smile.
You're the one from yesterday. Loves the summer days. Traveling down the wondering what I'm feeling. You're the one to run away. Blame the summer rain. Far from home, but fighting to conceal it. You didn't know you had it then. Though it was lost, but never dead. You could never drop it, never fake it. It's hard to say. You hardly left this place. Something from the better days, it lingers. So tell me how you lost ourselves. Wishing we were somewhere else.
Kya kare? My hormones don't let me be at 80. But it's okay. We should enjoy the view and look at this. Wow, I was missing this. And I'm looking forward for next Sunday. Woo! Excited. Sorry guys, I'm a little excited right now. Because this is what I always love. My father was right. Alright, so we've reached Silver Miles and all the riders are here. And no one's feeling that hot. I mean, it is damn hot, but it's fine. We didn't feel that hot. So it's always good when new riders meet old riders so they can all chat up and discuss this. And that's the best part, and that's why we ride together. So guys, I'm going to interview Akansha, okay? Because I want to ask her how's the pillion seat of Standard 500. So Akansha, what's your take on the pillion seat?
Actually, it was damn comfortable and I was not feeling I am on a bike. I was feeling I'm on a sofa. Like I was surfing over.
Is it better than my bike?
With backrest, yes.
My bike pillion seat sucks, but cushioning is better of
Yeah,
mine.
cushioning
So
is
cushioning of my seat is better, but the backrest and the whole comfort level she prefers Standard 500. So that means okay, enough of you can't bitch about my bike all the time. Okay, so enough.
No, but it's my favorite bike. I am not bitching about it.
In the Royal Enfield category, my
Yeah,
favorite
it
is
is
Continental
my
GT.
favorite,
Yes. But she's right, Standard 500, if you guys are planning to buy a Standard 500, she's right, she's a pillion right now. That's why I thought I'll interview her and ask her about the comfort. If you put a backrest on the Standard 500, it's very comfortable and it can absorb shocks pretty well, and she'll be happy with that. So I think now we should have breakfast.
I think
because
it's comfortable for you also.
yeah, it's very comfortable. For me also it's comfortable, definitely. I've always mentioned that to all the riders. And now let's have breakfast. Let's proceed to have breakfast. What say? Yep, so the crowd's inside, we are in. Usual dosa, vada, upma, poha, some chutney. Siddhant's enjoying his tea. I'm gonna go for the tea. And guess what? What's that? Let me zoom that in. Sohail is wearing the same watch, and I never knew that he lives next to my lane. So that's awesome, and I think we're gonna meet often, right?
Definitely.
Yeah, and he used to even go to the same gym where I go, so that's awesome. This is the best part of meeting new people. Wow, check the Busa out. Check the CBR Fireblade. That's one of my favorites. Fireblade. That's a 650F, huh guys? That's a Honda 650F. Look at the sliders in that. Insane. Now we talking business. Yo, Kawasaki Z800. Oh man, nice, neat, really neat. Oh, he's done some customizations there. The exhaust sounds like 1000cc, by the way, of Benelli. Everyone knows that. Sashi Kumar with me. He's joining me for the first time. He's my subscriber as well. And I hope you're enjoying the ride.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Except for the heat, he's enjoying, and he liked the way we went in a symmetry, right?
Yeah, it was
we
awesome.
were all
formation.
Yeah.
The formation was perfect, and we were running them uniformly.
That's nice, and that's what riders are. So he's got to be a good rider, and now he wants a selfie. So let's click some pictures, alright? So 2 or 3 riders are actually heading to Charoti because they want to have keema pao at the breakfast joint at Charoti. So these boys are going to Charoti because in loga ka pet bhara nahi hai. They want keema pao. They are like me actually.
Yeah.
I am a keema pao fan.
Wanna come?
I invented those rides. Yeah, but actually they all want to head back. Okay. But next Sunday they are on for Charoti, but they want to leave early, like 4 in the morning, so that we don't get so much heat because everyone's sweating like crazy. So we are heading back. And he's here.
Hello.
How was your breakfast?
It was very nice. और आज बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि आज राज भाई से मुलाकात हुई है. पहली मुलाकात और ये forever वाली मुलाकात.
Yes. Now they're gonna ride often, and that's awesome.
Definitely. In every ride I'll be there.
Yes, inshallah. Alright, that's really good. We are heading back because it's too hot and I have to edit this video as well. So stay tuned for the edit, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And now it's time to ride. Okay, checking the lineup. Lineup looks good. Some wind. You know when the wind blows on the sweat, how you feel? I'm sure everyone knows about that. Okay, so time for some rev bomb. Everyone who enters here starts revving their engines. Everyone loves to rev. Okay. Hazard light on, mid switch on. go home. Today I have some personal commitment also. Basically I have to meet my mom for some work and she needs to go out, so I might take my mom out. You know, the best thing about this motorcycle is the stance. So when I'm on a straight highway, I shift a little behind and I rest my butt on the curve of the seat, and it feels really comfortable to do that. And really you can go a long way on this bike, trust me. Yeah, but don't expect to speed up more than 100-120, because that's the maximum you can expect from a Bullet, being very honest. But that's a decent speed to tour, by the way, unless you are in a hurry and you have to reach somewhere on time or something like that. I think it's time to show these guys what this Bullet is capable of. I am on 120. Alright guys, I have touched 130 now. Vibrations are increasing, but the bike is performing awesome. I'm at 130, easy. A little bit of 130 up. So it's 12 in the afternoon and we reached on time. Non-stop ride, no stop for even water. And right now I'm having orange juice, fresh orange juice. And after that I'll go home. I'm not going to Starbucks because my parents have called me. So I'm going to go to my family home and chill out there. And I'll edit this video and upload it as soon as possible. Maybe today or maybe tomorrow. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to press the thumbs up button or comment below, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe and share my videos. And as usual, eat well, sleep well, be good. Signing off, Ride with Raj. Orange juice a must, second class. Can you imagine? No ice, no sugar.